This is a 2005 Toyota Sienna. It features a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, having just come off lease, this Toyota is in like new condition. Features include a premium audio system, a low-tire pressure indicator, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, dual power seats, and aluminum wheels. Not to mention that this Toyota qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Off Lease Only Miami is located at Northwest 145th, just east off 57th Avenue, south of 826, and north of Cretigny. We apologize for some navigation systems not recognizing our address. Please call us if you get lost.